Hey, this is Dr. Green, and today we're going to talk about the sleeper stretch, which is a great stretch that we use to be able to improve shoulder internal rotation. So to do this, we're going to lay on our side. So for me, this is going to be my right side. And then we like to just rest the head on something like a yoga block or a pillow just to kind of keep the neck and the head relaxed. The elbow is going to go out just in front of the shoulder here. We're going to try to stack the shoulders so that my left shoulder is right kind of in line with my right instead of being too open. Sometimes this can get a little bit pinchy in the shoulder, so if it does, you can open up a little bit there, but ideally we do want to be in a little bit of a stacked position. So from here, I'm going to push down on that top hand to allow this shoulder to rotate into what we call internal rotation in the shoulder, but I don't want my shoulder blade to lift my shoulder off of the ground. So I really want to be able to kind of keep the shoulders stacked, almost retract the shoulder blade if I can, and then just get motion through the joint here and not allow that shoulder to lift off as I go. So once I find that stretch, I should feel it kind of in that shoulder joint itself. Shouldn't be pinchy, it should feel like a stretch on the back side of the shoulder, kind of like deep within the joint itself. So once I get into that stretch, I can do what we call a contract relax. And so I'm going to push this hand up into that top hand, but not let it move. So I'm working into external rotation, holding for about 3 to 5 seconds. And then when I relax, it should let me take it a little bit further into internal rotation. And then I can repeat that for 2 to 3 cycles to be able to get deeper and deeper into that stretch. So I'm going to show you kind of from the opposite side here. So what we mean by shoulder retraction is kind of pulling that shoulder blade back. And so if I'm stretching the left side here, I stack the shoulders and then I want to kind of pull my shoulder blade back, which is going to pull me closer to the elbow and just create a little bit better position to be able to stretch the tissue on the back side of the shoulder. So if I'm here and I retract and rotate, I don't have as much range of motion there, but I can really kind of target the back side of the shoulder as long as I'm making sure that that rotation isn't coming from my shoulder blade doing the work. So that's the sleeper stretch. It can be a little bit tricky, but we do really, really like it for being able to just kind of improve that range of motion there. So really ease into it. This is something that when somebody has shoulder pain, we're really, really technical about the setup to ensure that we're not aggravating it, but we're actually helping it. So if you do have questions on this one, just let us know and we'll see if we can help.